Hello viewers. Many people across the world use iPhone and iPad. I have been using iPad 10th generation for a couple of months. Many people want to know about the battery life of this iPad 10th generation after iPadOS 18.3.1. Many people are complaining that they are not getting good battery life in their iPad, but in my case I am getting excellent battery life. Normally I get 7 to 8 hours plus screen on time on a single charge, and if you see here you can see that I have charged it today in the morning up to 100% and yet the battery life is 78%, and today I have used the iPad about 2 hours and 41 minutes and you can see my usage. There are some apps that I have used. So this is the scenario that I have used in the battery section. Actually I am getting very good battery life, but some people are saying that they are not getting battery life enough. Battery drainage is very high on their iPad. If you compare the battery life of this iPad 10th generation with Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case the battery life you will get more on Tab S9 FE Plus than this one. However, this is not a bad iPad at all. After that, some users asked me about the multitasking after the recent updates. You can see that I have been using various apps and too many apps are open in the background. Still, I am getting excellent multitasking and it is very snappy. Though it is only 60 Hz, but you will not feel any sluggishness or lag while using it or multitasking or switching between apps. So everything is as smooth as butter. One of the main highlighting feature of this iPad 10th generation is that under 30,000 you will get this iPad, and yet you can do excellent video editing with this. So in terms of video editing skill, I think iPad 10th generation is a very good buy. So you can definitely edit your videos, and this video you can render in 4K 60 fps. The option is available there, as you can see here, 4K and also 60 fps option is there, and it takes very less time to render the video. Okay, so it will give a very good experience if you are a content creator or something like that who needs to edit videos on their iPad. Even the display quality is also excellent. Though it is a non-laminated display, still you will get very good color reproduction and you will get a vibrant and bright display. Also the sound quality is very good in this tablet. Let me give you an overview of the sound quality. Now many people are asking me what is the best price of iPad 10th generation in this sale, that is Tablet Premier League sale. Many people have bought this device at 26,500 rupees, and after that the price increased. So many people are saying that fake sale is running on Flipkart or I am giving misinformation. That is not the case. I have given 100% authentic news, but I already mentioned that the price will increase after few hours of the start of sale. So if you want to buy this iPad 10th generation, the best price is 26 to 27,000 rupees, and if you don't get this pricing, wait for next sale when you will get this iPad 10th generation at your desired price. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.